Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another K-drama video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my top 10 comedy K-dramas that you should must watch in 2020. All the dramas I'm gonna mention are wonderful and a treat to watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At number 10, we have the drama Beautiful Gongsim. This is one of my most favorite Korean drama as it features Namgun Min, one of my favorite Korean drama actor. This drama is about the love story of two sisters and two men. The talented older sister has everything including a beautiful appearance, and her younger sister, which is of course our female lead Gongsim, is less attractive but still has a warm heart, and the two men appear in front of the sibling. One is Andan Desi, which you're gonna love his character, a progressively more attractive man who moved into their rooftop room, and another man is a handsome and wealthy guy from a plutocrat family. This romance comedy drama depicts an eventful and unpredictable love story by the four people from such a warm hearted point of view. So, I suggest you to watch Beautiful Gongsim. At number 9, we have the drama The Best Hit. This drama is just wacky, almost the comic book type of humor. Lee Ji-hoon and Cho Yoo-sung are two childhood friends who also happen to be preparing for their civil service exam. Although Ji-hoon has a secret dream to be a singer and songwriter. One day they meet Yoo Hyun-jae, who is a 90s popular but problematic member of a popular idol group who accidentally traveled through time to the year 2017 from the year 1993. Thus begins the story of passion, love, and friendship among 20s youth in the entertainment industry. In this, Yoo Hyun-jo just falls from the stairs and travel through time, and this just sound ridiculous, but this drama is just funny as you can laugh your belly out. So go for this drama and watch The Best Hit. At number 8, we have the drama Suspicious Partner, starring Ji Chang-wook and Nam Jae-hyun. Besides being comical, this drama is a mystery thriller, so I'm not gonna destroy the suspense of this drama. I'm just gonna talk about some basic information so you should know about this drama. Ji Chang-wook is a unique prosecutor. He is handsome, head-hearted, and intelligent who strives hard to be successful. He is the perfect example of what a prosecutor should be. Later, he becomes a lawyer, and Nam Ji-hyun, he is a prosecutor trainee. Once she was a taekwondo instructor, she trained to become a lawyer. She is confident and strong but naive. She is assigned to work under Ji Chang-wook. They work together on a mysterious case involving a sly psychopath murderer. As they are working as a team, as usual in Korean dramas, they develop affection between them and the story goes on. The plot is so catchy that you will love each and every episode of Suspicious Partner. So you should must watch Suspicious Partner if you haven't. At number 7, we have the drama Strong Woman Do Bong-sun. Do Bong-sun is a petite, unemployed woman who is honest and kind. She appears little and sweet on the outside, but she is in fact very strong. In her family, for generations, the women have been gifted Herculean strength to use for the greater good. If abused, however, their power will be taken away. While standing up for herself after gang members who bullied her, she finds herself approached by An Min-hyuk, the handsome and somewhat childish CEO of Nsoft, a gaming company. Min-hyuk, who holds a great distrust toward the police, witnessed the whole exchange of Do Bong-sun's superhuman strength and now wants to employ her as a bodyguard after being threatened by an unknown enemy. Min-hyuk, who falls in love with super strong woman Do Bong-sun at first sight. Do Bong-sun has eyes for someone else. Her childhood friend, who is also a police officer, Guk-do, whom she has known since high school. When chaos ensues after a series of kidnapping in Do Bong-sun's hometown, she must decide whether to use her strength and stand up against evil or play it safe and keep her power hidden from the world. Combined with the love triangle she faces between Guk-do and An Min-hyuk, as well as having to keep Min-hyuk safe, Do Bong-sun's life is thrown into a turmoil. Can she use her strength for the greater good, or will it prove in the end to be too much? And the storyline is also so catchy, and every episode has a different kind of humor. So you will just enjoy watching Do Bong-sun. So just go for it. At number 6, we have the drama Chief Kim. As I have already mentioned that Namgun Min is one of my favorite K-drama actor. and I have already suggested to watch Beautiful Gong Sim. So if you have watched that drama, then you will fall in love with his character Andan Tesi. So his another drama called Chief Kim is on the list. Can corporate politics turn a bad person into a good person? This drama is all about that. Kim Sung Ryung is a skilled accountant who works for a gangsters. He makes his way into a company called TQ Group as a middle manager in the accountant department with the intention of embezzling money from the company. As he contends with the hotshot accountant Yoon Ha Kyung, financial prodigy Seo Yol, and Pepe intern Hong ga Yeon, Seung Yeong finds himself embroiled in office politics and notices other those in powers that threaten to bring down the company. He comes to realize that he'd rather fight against corporate corruption and fight for employees' rights than complete the mission he originally came to do. Can he succeed at his new objective against all odds? And this drama is so wacky and so wacky. You will just love Nam Gun Min's character and you will fall for Chief Kim after Anden Tesi. So you should must watch Chief Kim. At number 5, we have the drama Fight for My Way, starring Park Seo Joon. If you have watched my previous video, then you have must know that Park Seo Joon is one of my most favorite Korean drama actors. So, Fight for My Way stars Park Seo Joon and Kim Ji Won. Can you still go after your dreams without a bright background? This is all about a underdog story, as you have watched his latest drama, Itaewon Class. So it's just like that, but a little bit more funny. Kodangmun has always dreamed of becoming famous as a taekwondo athlete, but now work as a contract employee in a mundane job. His bickering longtime friend Choera aspires to become a television anchor, but works instead at the information desk of a department store. Their friends Kim Jo-man and Baek Seol-ho have been dating for 6 years but face a new threat to their relationship. Can the four friends achieve their individual dreams despite having third-rate qualifications? You are just gonna love the chemistry between Park Seo Joon and Kim Ji Won. They are super funny, and Choera, yeah, let's say Kim Ji Won, she has one scene where she acted to be so cute, and you can find that video on YouTube and you're gonna laugh your belly out. So you should must watch Fight for My Way. This has a lot of martial arts also, and you will see so much action scenes in the latter half of this drama. So this drama is one of my favorite drama, so you should just watch Fight for My Way for your comical experience, and just watch it, just go for it just. At number 4, we have the drama I Am Not a Robot. Kim Min Kyu is the largest shareholder of a financial company. He suffers from a human allergy preventing him from the normal interactions with other people. He becomes interested in a robotic project named Ajisit 3 by the Santa Maria robotic team. The team is headed by Hong Baek-yeon, inventor of Ajisit 3 and world-renowned robotic professor. He modeled Ajisit 3 after his ex-girlfriend Jojia, a struggling inventor that also worked as a personal shopper to make ends meet. Just when Kim Min Kyu wants to test the robot, an accident causes the malfunctions of the robot's battery. So he begs his ex-girlfriend to take the place of Ajisit 3 and pretend to be the robot so they can get funding from Kim Min Kyu. But Ajisit 3 becomes the closest thing that the lonely Min Kyu has a real contact with the another person. And their chemistry between the fake Ajisit 3 and our lead star Min Kyu is so awesome, and you're gonna love the sweet and romantic moments and the hilarious and funny moments between them. So after watching all the suggested dramas that I have mentioned earlier, you should go to watch I Am Not a Robot. It's a treat to watch. At number 3, we have the drama Kill Me Heal Me. This is one of my most favorite Korean dramas of all time, and I have already watched this drama 3 times. As I decided to make this video and sorted out my list, I then again started to watch Kill Me Heal Me, and I am on episode 5 and I am enjoying this drama. After a traumatic experience in his childhood, Cha Do-hyun, who is of course Ji-sung, a third-year generation billionaire who suffers from memory lapses, and his personality is scattered into 7 different identities. 2 of his personalities I'm going to discuss is Shin-se-gi and Yona. Shin-se-gi is a violent person, and Yona is a 17-year-old girl who just love cute guys such as Park Seo Joon, who is Orion. and you're gonna love their chemistry as well. I'm just gonna put a short videos link in the description, and if you will watch that video on YouTube, then you're gonna have an idea how funny this drama is and why I am suggesting to watch this drama to you. So let's talk about it. And our main female lead, Origin, is a psychiatric resident who tried to help him secretly, but she falls in love with Shinsegi, his second character, who is a violent character. Meanwhile, Orion, who is Park Seo-joon, he is a famous novelist who writes novel, and he is secretly investigating Cha Do-hyun because he want to write a novel on himself, on Cha Do-hyun, of course, and his name is Omega, and he is so funny literally, and this drama is so wacky. You're gonna love this drama. Just watch this drama. At number 2, we have the drama Welcome to Waikiki, or also known as Ilucha Waikiki. This drama is not funny. This is of course super funny. This has a different kind of humor, and you're gonna love this drama. This drama is that amazing. Three very different young men: Donggu, the bad luck incarnate who dreams of becoming a film director; Junki, an eccentric actor who performs to make a living, and his character is so amazing. I'm gonna just curse it. And Dongsing, a freelancer writer who fiddles around doing nothing most of the time, opened a guest house named Waikiki in the Itaewon, where many foreigners came to stay. Although they have no clue how to run their guest house, they are eager to earn money to pay for the production of their upcoming film. Joined by Dongguk's younger sister Seojin, who actually manages the household in Waikiki, single mother Yona, who has made an unexpected landing in the guest house with her mysterious baby, and Donggu's ex-girlfriend Soa, they all started to live together in an uncomfortable and suspicious atmosphere. And this drama is just cringe. Go and watch the drama Welcome to Waikiki, and you're gonna love this drama. This is a must-watch drama. Welcome to Waikiki. This has 2 seasons. First one is super funny, and second one is very funny. Just go and watch Welcome to Waikiki. I don't know why I can't control my emotions while talking about these dramas. I am just talking crap. Oh, sorry. Before talking about number 1 drama, there were so many dramas which could have resulted on my list, but I haven't put them. So let's take a look at them. These are also very good dramas, so you could consider them for watching as well. At number 1 drama, we have Goblin, the Guardian, the Great and Lonely God. Kim Sin was once an unbeatable general in Giorgio military who died a tragic death. He now possesses immortality but is tired of living while everyone around him dies. For 900 years, Kim Sin has searched for his bride, a mortal who can pull out the sword and end his life. One day, he encounters Jiun Tak, a positive, upbeat high school student who can see the dead and has gone through tragic events, yet still stays strong. She claims to be the goblin's bride who can end his immortal life, but what appears to be an easy task only gets complicated as the two fall in love. As it is a Korean drama, they will of course fall in love, and the chemistry between our goblin and the Grim Reaper is so amazing, and they are so damn funny. You are gonna love this drama, Goblin. So watch all the suggested dramas that I have mentioned, and you know where to watch. If not, just comment below. I'm gonna answer all of your answers. So that was it, guys. I hope you have liked this video. You can support me by clicking the like button on this video. You can also smash the subscribe button of DramaYT, and don't forget to follow me on the Instagram handle dramayt.k2, which is on front of you as well. So I will see you later. As always, the great one, love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
कभी आते जाते रास्ते में, कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में।